1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
So 10. Where's 10?
I see so many.
All right, so how many are in that first 10 frame?
That
10. Good job. So we're going to move the 10 up here to the picture of 10.
You see? 10. Okay.
Let's look at the next one. How many are in this square?
Okay, let's count the square. Okay, ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 11,
11,
13,
13,
14,
14, 15,
16,
17, 18,
19,
19,
and 20. So what's 20 right here? Where is it?
that's 20.
Okay. So
How many were there?
20.
20. Great job.
So
So we'll move the 20 here. Now I'm going to show you guys a trick. So we know that this full 10 frame has 10 dots. And down here, how many full 10 frames did we have? We had 1, 2. So we changed that first number to from 10. If you look at me, there's 10, and then we had 2 of them. So we put the 2 in front, and now we had 20.
yeah,
So let's look down here at the next one. How many full 10 frames did you see, or do you see? There's 1, 2, 3. So we had 10, and I'm going to cover up the 1 with a 3. And now, how many dots do we have? We have 30. So we can count 10, 20, 30. And I'll move the 30 to the 10 frame. So that's a little faster than counting each dot individual. We can count 10, 20, 30. Let's count the 10 frames in the 4th box. See where I'm moving my mouse?
Bring it over.
So how many dots are there in that one?
40.
Say it.
40. So 4 is backwards, isn't it?
29.
So we have 40.
40.
Good. So I'm going to take my 40 and move it over to this box. And you guys count the next one.
Now, count this one. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Count loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
So it's
20,
so it's 10.
14, 30, 40,
How many did you see?
50.
Very
I'm not
good.
getting you
We had
this.
50. 50. So now we have 50. I'll move my 50 over. Good.
You see that?
And then the next one here.
Now we're going to count the ends. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
so there's 6.
10,
So if we have 10 and we cover up the one with a 6, we have 60.
36,
So we'll move 60 on top of this one.
You see that? You see how it is?
Okay, go on to the next one.
Okay, let's count this one out. Ready?
10, 1, 20, 30, 50, 4, 60, 70.
I heard the right answer. What does the number 70 look like? 70 is a 7 and 0. So we'll move 70 up here. 70. All right, let's do the last one.
Ready?
20, 30, 50, 60, 70, 70, 80.
See that?
Great job, everybody. So we had 80. I heard all of you say that. So I'm moving my 80 up to cover that one. Great job. Now on our next one, our next activity, we need to help the puppy get down the stairs. We can see the puppy is all the way up at the top.
Look.
And his first step down, what number is that?
100.
Numbers that?
100. Great job. So the next one down is the number 90. So we're going backwards from 100 to 0. Yep. So 100, 90. What comes next?
80. 80.
80.
And what comes next? Coming out the 8 is.
Gemma, you have water over there.
90.
And then after 80 is
Wait.
70, baby. Because it's a
70.
70.
50.
Good. And then it gives us the next one is 60.
60.
And then the next step down
Yes.
should be what number?
5.
See, there's this.
It should be 5 with a 0
think we'll get down.
is 50.
50. So
50.
And then how about the next step? What comes before the 5?
40.
Good job.
what
I
comes
heard
before?
Cheyenne say 40.
30.
And then after 40,
Yes.
we're going to change the 4 for a 3. What's this number?
30.
30. And then it gives us the next step is 20. And the step before 20 will be 10. Great job. Very good. So we did the steps down from the top of 100 all the way to the bottom. Let's say the numbers all together. So the first step was 100. Then we go to 90. Then 80. 70. 50. 40. 30. 20. And 10. Good job.
I find myself Magnus.
All right, so our next task in this lesson is to whisper count and add more shapes to match the number. So we have to move these shapes to complete the circle and match this number. Camila, what's this number right here?
You gotta count how big you got.
Numbers that?
No, she didn't ask.
1 and 4 is
What is? What is it?
4.
1 and 40.
No.
Is 1 and 4 is 14.
14.
Okay, so we're gonna have 14. Let's all count together how many hearts they have drawn for us. So we're gonna start at the top and move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 hearts. Now I'm gonna move and we're gonna keep counting. After 11 comes
Pay attention. Say that loud.
12.
12,
Then what?
then 13,
Mhm.
13.
and then
14.
14. Is that enough hearts?
Yeah.
Is that enough? So is the 14 match this number?
No.
14. Yes.
Yes.
14 and 14.
So we moved enough hearts that we now have 14 in our circle, which matches the 14 at the top. Okay, so we're gonna look at the suns now. Isaiah, can you tell me what this number is up here?
No.
12.
Put your hand on it. Speak up.
12.
Good job, Isaiah. All right, so let's all count together to figure out how many suns we have and how many we need. All right, here we go. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we have 10 suns and we need to get to 12. So say the next number. After 10 is a
11.
11. Very good. And after 11 is
12.
12. Do I need to add more?
No.
No. Why not?
Because you had 12.
Yes, we have 12, and that's the number that it told us to get to. Very good. All right, so we'll do the moons. What number are we going to, Cheyenne?
What number is that?
15. Good. All right, so we're going to start down here at the bottom and move up. And we're going to count. So let's do it. Ready? 1,
Oh, yeah.
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
But you got 12. Let's count.
Now we have 13,
How many you need?
14,
So touch it, then drag it.
15.
15.
And is that enough?
Yep.
Yes. Now we have 15, and that matches the number that we had up here. Great. And the last one is the lightning bolt. Carson, what's this number?
17.
17. So let's count our lightning bolts that they gave us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So you have 11. And you
All
got
right, so now I'm going to move the next one over, and we have
My hair to be soft.
12,
2,
so how many you need?
13,
No, how many
13,
is this?
14,
14. Good job. 15,
14,
16. Is that enough?
Nope.
Nope, because we're only at 16. So one more makes it 17. Is that enough?
Now put them in front.
Yes, it is. We have 17 lightning bolts to match the number 17.
I know you need
All right, and our last activity for this lesson has us counting down again. So like with the puppy, up here, we started at 100 and we went down to 10. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna start at 100 and go down to 10. All right, so in this first box across the top, count how many 10 frames you see.
Let's count, right?
100,
One,
90, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only got one page.
So 100.
100.
okay, you got
Right. So how many 10 frames are there?
10, 110.
There are 10 frames. So
10 tens.
we say that the 10 way as 10 tens. So I'm going to move this up here because it says 10 tens. Okay. All right. In the next box down, count how many 10 frames you see there.
Ready? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
you got?
Yes, there are 9 10 frames. And when we put that with the 0, it becomes 90.
Yeah, say it.
9.
Good. So, slide this over a little bit. We had some over here, some numbers over here. So we have to find the 90, and the 90 looks like 9 with a 0.
What is it?
Can you find it? Can you touch it on your screen?
Touch it, come on. Touch the 90. There we go.
All right, so I'm gonna move the 90 into this box, and we can say 90 the 10 way as 9 tens.
10.
Because there were 9 10 frames. All right, let's move to the next one. How many 10 frames are in that box?
Just 1. Count it. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Very good. So we had 8. And it shows us when we take our 8 with the 0, we have what number?
80.
80. Good job. And we can say 80 the 10 way as how many 10s?
If you have 80,
10.
and then
10. 8 10.
so you would
All
say
right, find the 8 over here and touch it on your screen.
8.
There we
Great job. So we're going to slide the 8 over here, and we now have 8 10s. Let's move down to the next one. Count the next one.
Ready? Let's count it. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
17.
Great.
7.
Yes, we have 7 10s. And they put it with the 0, and they gave us what number?
7.
Number 67.
70. Good job. And we can say 70 as 7 10s. So can you find the 7 on the right? And
What's
I was high.
Where is it, Camila? Number 7. There we go.
all right, so we're gonna move the 7 to say 7 10s. All right, let's go to the next one. Count those 10 frames.
Count it, baby.
I'm gonna go back.
Right there.
1, 2, 3, 20, 30, 40, 50,
Yes, 6 10.
4.
Yes, 6 10 frames.
6.
So what number is that?
Number
Oh, that's so good.
Great job. So we had 6 10 frames, and they gave us 6 10s. So 6 10s cover up the 1, and we have, say the number?
Say the number.
60.
60. Can you find it on the right?
No.
There it is, 6 with a 0, and I'm going to move it into the picture. Great. Go to the next one and count that one.
Let's count that one.
30, 40, 50,
Frames.
4,
5 10 frames.
50.
50. Good job.
Good. I heard answers. So I heard someone said 50. 50.
Is what?
50. So I'm gonna find the 50 and move it to the picture. But they also have us fill in this one here. So 50 is also what? It's 5. So I'll take the 5 and put it here because we have 5 sets of 10. Let's go to the next one. Count that.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Frames, which is
4 10 frames. Good.
40.
So
Okay,
we
so
can write
40.
that as 40. 40.
And
And it also represents 4 10 frames. There's 4 10 frames. Good. All right, let's go to the next one.
1,
so you got 3, which is
20.
Good. So we had 3 10 frames. 3 10 frames cover up the 1. What's that big number?
60. Got
30. Yes.
What in 10?
So there's our 30, which is 3 10s.
3.
So we have to find the 3 over here and slide it to our picture. Do the next one.
2.
2. Good. So we had 2 10 frames.
Which is
2, 20.
20.
So
Good
there's
job,
what?
Camila. So we're going to move the 20 over here and the 2 over here to say 2 10s, 2 10 frames. And the last one.
2,
How many 10 frames?
10.
so 1.
1 10 frame. And 1 10 frame means that how many dots are there?
How many dots in the frame? 10 frames.
10. Very good. So I'm going to find my 10 and put it in my picture. And that is shown as 1 10. There's 1 10.
1, 10.
There you go.
1, 10.
So this was our lesson on how to count to 100 by 10. So we started by counting some sprinkles in a circle shape. We said there were 14 sprinkles. Then we counted across the top row from 1 to 10, and we counted each row of 10 as 10 all the way to 100. Then we counted the 10 frames here and moved the pictures to match the numbers. And then we helped the puppy get down the stairs by counting backwards from 100 all the way to 10. Then we counted pictures in a circle and added more to get to our whole number. And last, we counted down the say 10 way. We counted 10 frames and matched the numbers and words to the pictures. Okay? So this is available on our Google Classroom for you to complete and turn in. Does anybody have any questions? No questions? All right, well then, we are done with our lesson. So if you want to sign off, you can do that, and I will be here for a few more minutes to answer any questions.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Hi, Peyton. Peyton just joined us if anybody wants to say hi to Peyton.
My other kids in her meeting too.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Hi, Peyton. Cheyenne's here and Isaiah's here.
Say hi. She can hear you. All right. Well, you missed it.
And it's okay if you missed it. I record our meetings, so I